Asia LPG crew to Embark. As you know, Candina Group has been working with ships since 1899. Late Captain Antonio Candina, an orphan from father, started sailing as a junior officer, and then he set up his own company in 1903. Then his son Jose started with this company 1919, and before Captain Antonio was a ship owner, and then in 1960s, my late father Jose also a strategic agreement of the discounts and the wages and approved by the Filipino government and so on. And then that was Elcano Ship Management. Many copied everything from Candina many years. So this is the time that we are going to go back to the LPG. If you are a very good LPG ASEAN seafarer experienced and you look forward to being number one company, Candina and also this Belgian ship owner, apply urgently. We look in all the ranks. If you are very experienced LPG and you think that perhaps there is another opportunity because there is an expanding European company that really is looking forward to agree mutual expansion of your services, our services. Candina is a family company. I am the fourth generation. And then 2026, we are back. And we are asking those LPG experienced with the perfect English knowledge, interested, apply to Candina. You have the crew inspector link. Also, we will use later the Adonis link. In Candina, we have really huge positive ideas about this ship owner and look forward to receiving your CVs. Like, subscribe if you are on board now on LPG sailing in this beautiful Earth planet. We have a huge competitive advantages, and this is a direct relationship. If you're now working for a ship manager, forget about it. We are working with the ship owner directly. The ship owner will employ you. So this is a huge positive step towards eliminating the middle person and then going direct. And also back to Candina. Here we are. Like and subscribe. We will really look after your CV. And if you do have experience with the LPG AB, whatever, junior officers, chief engineer, second engineer, captain, chief officer, all kinds of LPG experienced ranks, apply now to Candina. Like and subscribe. Thank you. Bye.